So here's the interior now. Working on getting the dash harness routed across. This is my donor harness. Got my gas pedal installed now. I've built a conversion bracket to go from the original bolt pattern to the new bolt pattern. But here we are. It's a big mess. We're getting there. So, got the main dash harness pushed through, coming out on this side, which is nice. I'll figure out where all this needs to go, and then still got stuff on this side to put away. But it's getting there. Alright, so I got my dash harness run through in here. And I got my dash harness run up to the cluster now. So it's sitting in there pretty happy. And then, so my body harness routes down through here. Body harness routes down through here. It splits off just behind the dash in here. And so I still got some stuff to do here. My 2015 OBD2 port. This is all steering column stuff. Just kind of have it tied up out of the way at the moment. This would be my brake switch, these are going to get connected to the firewall side. I've shown you those before. Probably going to modify those and make those smaller since I only have 2 pins and 10 pins. So there's that. Still got work over here, obviously. I did test fit the interior fuse box, the central junction box is what the block is what they call it. That does actually fit up there above the inertia switch pretty nicely. So still got some routing harnesses, taping, all that good stuff. I'm gonna probably have to make a bracket for that, for the CJB to sit on, so it doesn't move around. But it's starting to come back together in here a little bit. I need to, coming back to this side, I'm planning on keeping my original column, original ignition cylinder, so I will need to wire the donor ignition switch into my O3 wiring. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. I just need to compare the 2 diagrams, get everything moved over. That's about it. I'll need to move my brake switch onto my brake pedal. Probably going to just wire that in to the existing wiring, same story. This is parking brake wire for the indicator on the dash, so I'll move that into wire that into the O3 stuff as well. Other than that, man, we're getting there. We're getting pretty close.